Magre-review kami ng mga interview questions. Mag-i-study daw dapat muna sa laman ng DS 2019 mo at DS 2016. Dapat tugma lahat yung sagot mo. And sa job offer mo, kasi nandyan yung ilang years ka na, ilang ano ka na.
Yeah.
Sabihin mo, good morning.
Good morning, officer.
Okay, good morning. Are you on tour?
No.
What are you going to do in the US?
Exchange visitor.
What kind of exchange
J1
program?
exchange visitor.
Oh, you're a teacher?
Yes.
Where?
Danville, Virginia.
And how much is your salary?
$310 annually.
Yun daw yung sasabihin niya, guys. Yung amount, dollars annually, wag nang daw sabihin US dollars kasi US naman daw talaga pupunta. What is your degree?
Bachelor of Elementary Education with only 30 units of Masters of Arts in Education, major in Early Childhood Education.
Okay. Yung sa akin naman, guys, kapag full-fledged MAED ka, yung sasabihin mo na lang is yung MAED mo. Huwag mo na sabihin daw yung bachelor's degree mo. So, akin is Masters of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management with only 9 units of Doctor of Philosophy in Education. Ganon. Sasabihin mo daw with only pag hindi ka full-fledged. Pero pag full-fledged doctor ka na daw, yun na lang yung sasabihin mo, yung PhD degree mo. And then, how many years have you been teaching? All here in the Philippines?
13 years in teaching, yes.
Huwag mo na sabihin, teaching siguro 13 years, yes. Diba? Direct to the point.
13 years.
Oh, ganun din yung
Pero kung
advice
naman
sa
ako,
akin.
diba? Sinabi naman natin yung 13 years in teaching.
Tapos yes. Ganun lang, guys. No explanation. No more explanation. Saka less talk, less mistake.
I'm so
Do
sorry.
you understand the 2-year home rule?
Yes.
Okay. Ito, guys, memorize nyo to. Okay, sir, pasikatin mo ang EPI.
Yes. The 2-year home rule states that I need to return in my home country, which is the Philippines, and stay here for 2 years before applying for a new program or shifting to another visa.
Oh, yan. Yan.
So
Next
that's how you
is-
answer a question.
Yes. Then, do you know your rights?
Yes. Yes.
What's it all about?
It is all about the rights of workers in the United States.
Yes, yun lang, guys. The rights of the workers in the United States. What makes you qualified to teach in the US?
I'm qualified to teach in the US because I have a teaching experience here in the Philippines as a public school teacher, which is also part of their qualifications to be hired in the US. At least 2 years experience, teaching experience in the Philippines.
Who will finance your travel?
Myself?
Myself. Will you bring any J2s?
No.
What subject will you teach in the US?
Elementary subjects. All core subjects.
All core. Sasabihin nyo, guys, kami elementary kasi kami. So sasabihin what grade, level, and what are you going to teach, what are the subjects. So, sasagutin is elementary level, all core subjects. Alam mo na yung grade mo?
Grade 3 to 5.
Grade 3 to 5 sa kanya, pero yung sasabihin niya, elementary
Kasi yun
level,
nakalagay sa DS1, 2019.
all core subjects. What is your visa sponsor?
Educational Partners International.
Huwag ka lang sabihin may visa sponsor, wag nang ganun, guys. Sa akin, participate learning. Yan. Did you read the blue pamphlet? Do you have questions about it? Yes.
Yes.
No.
And no.
So today is March 31, 2025. Guys, ma-recommend namin itong Red Doors sa inyo. It's like budget friendly siya and ano din siya, yung ano yan, sir? Accommodating and kung ano yung request mo, meron sila. Tapos malawak siya, may CR, tapos may mga utensils, mga appliances. So, pwede rin kayo dito magstay. Kasi malapit lang siya sa kung saan magba-biometrics. Mga around 5 minutes lang, Sir Rose, no?
Yes.
5 minutes lang, makaano na kayo. So, yun lang. Bye-bye. Time check, it's 8:22 a.m. and ang schedule namin is 12 p.m. So, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4 hours advance ka. Excited. Ben, ang nasabi mo, Ben?
Wala.
Ready na siya, guys.
Nag-jebs ako na parang ewan. I can contain my feeling anymore. Because of the feeling of uncertainty and the feeling of nervousness.
Ano pa?
Basta.
See you later. Congratulations, sir. Anong tinanong sa'yo?
Tinanong lang po kung ano gagawin sa US, tapos ilang years na nagtuturo, tapos yung highest degree mo, tapos anong subject at saka anong grade level ang ituturo. Yun lang po.
Wow, lang sa amin madami. Congrats, sir! Bye-bye! See you soon! See you in US! Guys. Tapos naka-interview.
Yung pang tating Martin, approve kami.
Huwag mo na sana.
Ayun na nga.
Time check 1:47 p.m.
Nakalabasan namin.
Nakalabasan namin, babe. So,
Our visa approved.
thank you, Lord! So, sasabihin, isi-share namin na yung mga questions. Sir Rose, ikaw una.
Ano?
Ano yung
Yung tanong sa akin, unang tanong sa akin is, ano ba unang tanong sa akin? Ano, nakalimutan ko na.
Ano?
Basta ano, ang tinanong sa akin is,
what state yung una?
What state? Tapos,
Same.
yung next question is, what grade level?
Same.
Ang sabi ko elementary. Sabi niya all grades,
Oh, yes,
elementary.
same.
Sabi ko 3rd grade to 5th grade.
Same.
Then, tinanong how many years in teaching.
Same.
Tapos, do you have kids?
Same.
Then, do you read, do you have this pamphlet? Pinakita yung pamphlet. Sabi ko yes.
Ay, hindi ako
Pero actually, wala pa talaga. Pero
Just
sabi ko na lang
ko siya.
yes kasi para dire-diretso na. And then, that's it.
Kinuha na ang passport, so congratulations, your visa is approved.
Actually, hindi na tinanong yung
Ano?
salary, hindi na tinanong
Hindi na.
yung school. Yun lang, wala.
Ano ba, anong number ng...
It's window 21.
Sabay kami kasi sa likod. Sa
Actually,
likod
dapat
niya
siya sa
ako.
20.
20
Kaso
ako.
gaya-gaya siya. Gusto niya
Eh, kasi nakita ko yung officer sa 20 na kasi mangot. So, lumipat ako sa lane niya na smile yung si officer. So, doon ako. So, ang tinanong sa akin, same sa kanya, ang maliban lang is, are you married? Tapos, is your J2 going to accompany you? Tapos, when did you... Ano yung English na? Kailan kayo kinasal?
When did you get married?
Oh, when did you get married? And then, ano pa ba? Same sa kanya, tapos yun lang. Yung naiba sa akin. Tapos hindi na ako hinanapan ng pamphlet kasi di naman kami binigyan. Siya hindi din binigyan pero nag-yes siya. So yun lang guys, visa approved. Thank you so much. So, isi-share na lang namin mamaya kung ano pa yung nakalimutan namin kasi pauwi na
Actually,
kami.
ako nakalimutan ko yung
Ano? Guys, huwag kayo magdanghag-danghag guys. Nakalimutan niya sa CR ang envelope niya guys. So, huwag kayong ganyan. Yes, huwag kayong ganyan. Ano pala, kung dapat may kasama kayo kasi
Ang
iiwan
mahal
ang
din.
cellphone be,
Ang mahal
tsaka
din.
relo na smartwatch, mga alahas mo, ano ngayon, perfume, lipstick, ganun. 500 ang nabayadan namin dalawa. Per cellphone daw, 200. Grabe talaga, be. Pero binayadan na lang namin. Yung mga tindera sa labas, binayaran na lang namin kasi, good mood kami. 500 talaga, be. So ngayon, pauwi na kami sa hotel namin and isi-share na lang namin mamaya kung ano yung process na pinagdaanan namin. Yun lang. Bye. Bye na siya.
ang saya sa puso na marinig mo yung your visa is approved.
Yes, thank you. Nakasabi
And
talaga
the
ako
sad
na.
thing is, yung isang kasama namin na intern siya sa Colorado, na-deny siya. Na-deny siya nakakaawa. Yun ang bad.
Ano, guys, yung after nung sabi niya, congratulations, your visa is approved. Napasabi talaga ko, thank you so much, you're so beautiful. Hindi yun, Emmy, maganda talaga siya, guys. Siya is nagtatalon-talon na siya.
Have a nice day. Like, have a nice day, officer. Thank you very much.
Additional, guys, naalala namin. Ano yung additional na tinanong sa'yo, Bill?
Do you have relatives there?
Oo, tinanong din sa akin yan. Sabi ko, nan. Tapos, yung sabi din pala sa J2 ko, why your J2 will not accompany you? Tapos, ang sagot ko lang, he will just visit me if he has time. Ganun. Ano pa, Bill? Yung makalimutan natin.
Yun lang.
Ilan lang sa'yo?
Anin nga?
Oh, hindi.
Anin?
What state?
Yung pamphlet yung last.
O, di, 7.
6 nga lang.
Akin, marami akin kasi about J2. At saka, kailan kami kinasal and may anak na ba, ganun. Hi guys, update. Nakalimutan namin i-share. Nasa hotel na kami. Ay, nakapasok kami nasa labas na kami ng embassy around 9 a.m. Bino? 9 a.m. Tapos, nakapasok kami sa loob mga 9:45. Tapos sa waiting area, naghintay kami ng mga 10:05 bago nakapasok sa
embassy talaga. Be, correct me if I'm wrong ha. Tapos doon na kami naghintay ng matagal sa loob kasi, di ba 12:45 yung schedule namin. Tapos mag-open yung mga, mga nasa window na mag-i-interview 1 p.m. pa. So, nang 1 p.m. na, nag-open na. Pero, tinapos pa lahat ng mga seaman na in-interview and sobrang dali lang sa kanila. Ang question lang, how long have you been as seafarer? Tapos approve na agad. After nung natapos na ang mga seaman, kami na naman, mga J1 at J2. So, yun na, yun lang. Nakakalabas kami. Anong oras nakalabas, B? Ay, natulog na siya, guys. 1:30 p.m. Yun, nakalabas na kami. So, bye-bye!
Do you want to know?